Hi guys, and welcome to Capture Prod when polygons meet desire. My name's Hikko, and today I wanna talk about a couple of useful add-ons for saving your project. If you often work with lighting, make a lot of pre-renders, or perform complex operations that put a heavy load of Blender, then you'll probably run into freezes, crashes, or the program suddenly closing. Sad irony that perhaps your last save was ages ago, while proper autosaving, for some mysterious reason, is upset in Blender by default. But here's the solutions, the add-ons. The first one is incremental autosave. This add-on lets you create backup files with adjustable time intervals and a set number of saved versions. The second one is autosave. This add-on starts counting from the last time you saved or opened the project. Once the time runs out, you first get a warning, and then the screen turns red with a message telling you that it's time to save. The time and color can be customized. You can find these add-ons through search in the Get Extension tab. I hope this mini guide helps you save your project and your nerves, of course. Thanks for watching and see you next time!